long weekend in the Labor Day weekend in September. That was on September 1st. There was one a beloved soul from Austin, from Dallas, Texas, by name Sri Vishwanathan. He had come to a temple to talk about the Anugraha Leelas of Shirdi Sai Baba, especially in the form of Dwarka Mai. It was a very wonderful satsang. We were immersed in Baba's Leelas the whole day, the day, and he did also do Dwarkamai Puja in a few of the devotees' homes the following days. So, by his inspiration, he has sent a picture for us for a temple to be used in a temple. This is the Dwarkamai picture that you're seeing in front of you. He has suggested this puja in this Kali Yuga as one. It's a very short puja, yet Baba immensely benefits all the devotees who are participating in this, and you will see this change in your life for sure. I mean, take this word from Baba. It's not coming from me, it's coming from Sri Vishwanathan uncle, and you would really see the difference. So this puja we are doing for the Lokakshema and also for the benefit of our temple, which we really need this to get this temple as uncle's vision is for this temple to become the biggest Shirdi of West. So with all your cooperation, with all the devotees' cooperation, that team is really going to come through soon. So it's just Baba's, the question of time and when Baba wills, that's going to happen. So I'm going to give a very brief introduction of this Dwarkamai Puja. This introduction was written by Uncle himself, Sri Vishwanath himself. None of it is my words, it's all from him. So I'm just going to read it out to you. Please listen carefully, and I will also narrate the instruction for the puja. It's a very simple puja, it should not take more than 15 to 20 minutes. So please follow that. And then following the puja, we will have a 1 minute of meditation after the Ashtotram, followed by a short arati. Then we have the regular arati for Baba, the temple arati. Then we have the prasadam distribution. And then the daily program for the Navaratri continues with the Devi program today at 6:30, right? Yeah, no? 6:30, and then we have a pravachan on Devi by a renowned person, Sundari ji from. She's also from Texas. We have been having that for the last 3 days, and whoever participated that would know what a beloved, what a wonderful experience we've been having during her discourse. So let me start by giving a brief introduction with this puja. In the words of Uncle Sri Vishwanath ji, the walls of my Dwarka Mai are made of gold, pronounced Shirdi Baba. One of the rarest phenomenon in the annals of worship of any god in the last 100 years is the deification of Shirdi Sai Baba, who has come to occupy the mind and intellect of men and women of all caste, creed and nationality on the earth. The growth of worship of Sai Baba of Shirdi is mind-boggling, extraordinary and truly elevating. It breathes fresh air into our consciousness, ushering in a renaissance of the nth and true nth order in human lives. Growing beyond the tenets of religion, Shirdi Baba is being introduced to humanity in several ways, but rarely has an attempt been made to worship him through the hymns of praise, the Ashtotram, which we all know, which was written by Sri B.V. Narasimha Swamiji, who is one of the foremost devotees of Baba. And this resounds with 108 sacred names of Baba that we have been doing Archana to him every day, bringing out his power, grace, and the all-encompassing divinity of Baba. Shirdi Baba often said that those who sit in the lap of Dwarka Mai shall never suffer anything in life. The Masjid Mai protects all the devotees from all calamities, and this is the word of God. And you devotees of Baba would know that by this time. Dwarka Mai Puja will become the central theme of one's life, as your focus will be on Shirdi Baba, who looks after every action of ours, protecting us and our kith and kin and the entire family every day in our life, day in and day out. Shirdi Baba as Dwarka Mai Baba has turned water into oil, stopped a deluge in Shirdi to protect Jyotindra or Tarkat. Those who read Satcharita regularly would know who Tarkat is. He was been a devotee of Baba right from his childhood, and Baba loved him so very much. And if you read Satcharita, he will know. And beyond that, in all the Sai Leela volumes, Jyotindra has occupied a very special place because of his closeness with Baba. So this is one of the miracles that Dwarka Mai Baba has been doing. And apart from this, he breathed life into Daskanu Maharaj. Daskanu Maharaj is the one who has been spreading Baba's fame through bhajans and kirtans in those days around Konkan and Deccan and every other district. He used to carry Baba's picture everywhere he goes and then sings Baba's bhajans. That's how he was doing his task that Baba has assigned him in this world by spreading Baba's fame. I mean, in this age, we have internet, telephone, everything, and in those ages, the only means of communication was people by word of mouth. So Daskanu was doing a wonderful seva to Baba by spreading his name around the entire region. And so that was one of the miracles he did. He removed tuberculosis from Bhimaji Patel. Bhimaji Patel was a devotee who was suffering from tuberculosis, and none of the remedies can do anything to him. He had gone to numerous doctors and nobody could save him. So his ultimate destination was Shirdi. So he went to Baba, and within a second Baba rewrote his karma and cured him from tuberculosis, which in those days was a very deadly disease. So this is one of them. This is all coming from Satcharita. In this modern, these stories, all of us know that we have been reading from Satcharita. But in this modern world, Baba's Leelas are still continuing. Even after about 100 years after the Samadhi, the Leelas are still continuing. And one of the instances that Uncle narrated was a steel executive from Mumbai who started as an ordinary person in one of the biggest steel companies in India. I'm not going to take much time to narrate this, but he elevated him from a very ordinary person. He is now the CEO of the company. Originally, this devotee was not a believer of Baba. He was after money and everything. But once he came to know about Sri Vishwanath Uncle and Dwarkamai Puja, and when he got contact with Baba, his life changed for the good. So that is one of the instances where in this age, Baba's Leelas has been continuing. And I'm not going to take much time here. I want to go and start the puja. So if you listen to Uncle Satsang, and he conducts satsangs regularly throughout the US, sometimes in temples. He was here in DC last month, so we're trying to get him again. So if you listen to him, his satsangs, you will find numerous real life experiences with devotees where Baba has pulled the wire skillfully. You had experienced that. Once you start listening to it, you will get tears in your eyes. Like you can control your emotions. So, given that, I'm going to tell you about the instructions for the puja, how we are going to do this. This puja is a very simple puja. It shouldn't take more than 20 minutes. All we are going to do is have Dwarkamai picture, what you have seen in front of us, and we recite the Ashtotram, the 108 names of Shri Baba, and for each Ashtotram, the priest will recite the Ashtotram. And our Padmaji, who is the founder, without whom we couldn't have this temple at all in this place. We had to thank her for that. She's going to do she's going to say for every Ashtotram, she's going to say Om Shri Dwarkamai. I request all of you devotees to join, take a couple of petals and put in the plate that is in front of you and say Om Shri Dwarkamai for each of the namas that the priest is going to say. And at the end of the 108th nama, please stay in silence for 1 minute. And you can pray whatever you want to Baba. He will definitely give you. And he is going to be sitting amongst us, watching this, partaking this puja. And he has already come, I'm sure, but I don't have the vision to recognize whose form he is. But there are some people who can recognize him. So he is already there in this room. And so please, after the meditation, pray to him whatever you want. Whether it's spiritual, material, whatever you want, he is going to grant you. So following that, we are going to have a short arati. That's going to come from the one of the stanzas from the evening arati. Then we'll have the regular temple arati after that, and the prasadam distribution. Yeah. We have provided flowers for each of you. If you're running out of flowers, what Uncle's suggestion is, we can reuse the same flowers for continuing the archana. Yeah, we'll come around to distribute flowers. If you don't have flowers, if you can see us, don't wait for us to come around. Just reuse the flowers until we come around and give the flowers to you and continue the archana. Yeah. Yeah. With that, let's all start the puja and be immersed in Baba's Anugraha Leelas of Dwarkamai. Thank you. Om Shri Satchidananda Guru Sainath Maharaj Ki Jai. Om Shri Dwarkamai.
అందుకనేసి అన్ని ప్లేట్లో వేసుకొని దాని తర్వాత అక్కడ బాగా
Priest is going to take a sankalpam, samashti sankalpam for all of you. So at the time of the recital of the Gotra and Nama, please recite your Gotra, your own Gotra and Nama. So we don't have time to for him to come and take sankalpam from each of you. So he is going to do the sankalpam here, and when he says to the Gotra and Nama, please recite your Gotra and Nama for all yourself and family members, and then that will be conducted as a sankalpam. Following that, we'll have the Ashtotra. The priest will be reciting the each of the Ashtotra Namavali very slowly for us to follow. Please do not repeat the Ashtotra Namavali, just say Om Shri Dwarkamai. That is all enough. He will do a Manasika prayer for all of us.
Jimnanudha Purushotama Dakshajana Rasmachita Janatana Upendra Namaha Sri Krishna Namaha Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namo Namaha Uttishthanda Vadvasacha Devam Bharga Deshamarudena Brahma Karmadmara Bhambu Humbu Bhagam Subhavam Mahavanjanundava Yoganda Chandatsodravare Enyam Bargo Devasya Demihi Deyo Yonaha Prachodiyatama Pojo Devasumratam Brahma Bhosajvana Subhati Kshedvara Paramesar Vadhisya Paramesar Vichadam Subhe Sobhane Murte Sri Mahavishnuvaragravanatamana Sajya Brahmanati Devradhe Savitavaragalpe Sundaragalyogi Pradambade Jambodvipe Ramanagurshekaranjavadeshe Gotirthakande Uttarunukadise Sainathalaya Sannidhosmin Vartamana Vyavahariki Chandramana Sri Vijayanama Sri Dakshinane Vrajito Sri Jamase Suklavakshe Nomyam Pratvittidode Samyam Vasaraha Vasarasto Bhanuvasare Bhanuvasariktayan Subhatido Sriman Srimataha Sriman Saukudambanam Sarvesham Mahajananam Lokalyana Vrajadam Amma Andra Kuda మీ గోత్రనామాలు మీ పేర్లు మీ పిల్లల పేర్లు అందరూ కూడా చెప్పుకోండి మీ గోత్రం మీ పేర్లు చెప్పుకోండి అస్యమాగమోద్గల గోత్రోద్భవస్య చిత్తాన శ్రీనివాసనామధేస్య ధర్మకుటుంబస్య ఐష్యాభిజితం ఎరువకుల గోత్రోద్భవస్య విజయ కుమార్ నామధేస్య ధర్మపత్ని పద్మజానామధేతి కుమారస్య శ్రీజన్ కుమార్ నామధేస్య శ్రవంద్రస్నామధేస్య కుటుంబస్య ఐష్యాభిజితం सकुटुंबानां क्षेमस्थैर्यधैर्य विजयायुरारोग्यैश्वर्यां सर्वेषां महाजनानां लोककल्याणाभिवृद्ध्यर्थम् आयुरारोग्यैश्वर्यां सकलाभीष्टफलसिद्ध्यर्थं धर्मार्थकामविमोक्षेतुर्वृद्धफलसाध्यर्थं नवानां ग्रहाणामानुकूलितावृद्धं सकलाभीष्टफलसिद्ध्यर्थं राजद्वारे राजमुखे सर्वथा दिग्विजयार्थं सकलदेवता गृहदेवता इष्टदेवता स्वरूपा समर्थ सद्गुरु शिरडी साईनाथ वारि संपूर्ण अनुग्रह कटाक्षित्यर्थं शरन्नवरात्र महोत्सव नवम दिवसे सायं संध्यांगा सद्गुरु साईनाथ वारि संपूर्ण अनुग्रह कटाक्षं द्वारका मायि पूजाम् अष्टोत्तर शतनाम द्वारका मायि पूजां करिष्ये गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसोदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं साईनाथं दुर्नरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि ओम श्री साईनाथाय नमः ओम श्री साई लक्ष्मी नारायणाय नमः ओम श्री साई श्री कृष्ण सोमारुच्चादिरूपाय नमः ओम श्री साई शेषसायिने नमः ओम श्री साई गोदावरी तटशिरडी वासिने नमः ओम श्री साई भक्तहृदयालयाय नमः ओम सर्वहृद्वासिने नमः ओम भूतावासाय नमः ओम भूतभविष्यद्भावज्यताय नमः ओम श्री साई कालातीताय नमः సాయి కాలాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి కాళకాలాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి కాళదర్పదమనాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి మృత్యుంజయాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి అమర్చాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి మత్స్యాభయప్రదాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి జీవాధారాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి భక్తావన సమర్థాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి భక్తావన ప్రతిజ్ఞాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి అన్నవస్త్రధాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి ఆరోగ్యక్షేమదాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి ధనమాంగల్యదాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి బుద్ధిసిద్ధిప్రదాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి పుత్రమిత్రకళత్రబంధుదాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి యోగక్షేమభవాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి ఆపద్బాంధవాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి మార్గబంధవే నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి భుక్తి ముక్తి పవర్గదాయ నమః. ఓం ప్రియాయ నమః. ఓం ప్రీతివర్ధనాయ నమః. ఓం అంతర్యామినే నమః. ఓం సచ్చిదాత్మనే నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి నిత్యానందాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి పరమసుఖదాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి పరమేశ్వరాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి పరమాత్మనే నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి జ్ఞానస్వరూపిణే నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి జగదత్రే నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి భక్తానాం మాతృధాతృపితామహాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి భక్తాభయప్రదాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి భక్తపరాధీనాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి భక్తానుగ్రహకరాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి శరణాగతవత్సలాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి భక్తిశక్తిప్రదాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి జ్ఞానవైరాగ్యదాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి ప్రేమప్రదాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి సంక్షయోదయ దౌర్బల్య పాపకర్మ వాసనాక్షయకరాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి హృదయ గ్రంథిభేదకాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి కర్మధ్వంసినే నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి శుద్ధతత్వసిద్ధాస్థితాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి గుణాతీత గుణాత్మనే నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి అనంత కళ్యాణ గుణాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి అమిత పరాక్రమాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి జయనే నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి దుర్దర్శాక్షోభ్యాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి అపరాజితాయ నమః. स्कन्धिगतये नमः। ॐ श्री साई अशक्यरहिताय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सर्वशक्तिमूर्तये नमः। ॐ श्री साई स्वरूपसुन्दराय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सुलोचनाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई बहुरूपविश्वमूर्तये नमः। ॐ श्री साई अरूपाव्यक्त्याय नमः। ॐ श्री साई अचिन्त्याय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सूक्ष्माय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सर्वान्तर्यामिने नमः। ॐ श्री साई मनोवागतीताय नमः। ॐ श्री साई प्रेममूर्तये नमः। ॐ श्री साई सुलभदुर्लभाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई असहाय सहायाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई अनादनाद दीनबान्धवे नमः। ॐ श्री साई सर्वभारभृते नमः। ॐ श्री साई अकर्मानेकसुकर्मणे नमः। ॐ श्री साई पुण्यश्रवणकीर्ताय नमः। ॐ तीर्थाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई वासुदेवाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सताङ्गतये नमः। ॐ श्री साई सच्चित्परायणाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई लोकनाथाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई पावनानघाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई अमृतांसवे नमः। ॐ श्री साई भास्करप्रभाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई ब्रह्मचर्यतपश्चर्यादिसुव्रताय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सत्यधर्मपरायणाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सिद्धेश्वराय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सिद्धिसङ्कल्पाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई योगेश्वराय नमः। ॐ श्री साई भगवते नमः। ॐ श्री साई भक्त वत्सलाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सत्पुरुषाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई पुरुषोत्तमाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सच्चित्तत्त्वबोधकाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई कामादिसर्वज्ञानध्वंसिने नमः। ॐ श्री साई अभेदानन्दानुभवप्रदाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई समसर्वमतसम्मताय नमः। ॐ श्री साई दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ श्री साई श्री वेङ्कटेशरमणाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई अद्भुतानन्दचर्याय नमः। ॐ श्री साई प्रसन्नार्तिहराय नमः। ॐ श्री साई संसार सर्वदुःखक्षयकराय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सर्ववित् सर्वतो ద్వారకాముఖాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి సర్వాంతర్భయస్థితాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి సర్వమంగళకరాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సర్వసాయి సర్వమంగళకరాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి సర్వమంగళకరాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి సర్వాభీష్టప్రదాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి సమరస సన్మార్గస్థాపనాయ నమః. ఓం శ్రీ సాయి సమర్థ సద్గురు శ్రీ సాయినాథాయ నమః. శ్రీ సమర్థ సద్గురు సచ్చిదానంద సద్గురు సాయినాథ్ మహారాజ్ కీ జై. అఖిలాండ కోటి బ్రహ్మాండ నాయక రాజాధిరాజ యోగిరాజ పరబ్రహ్మ శ్రీ సాయినాథ్ మహారాజ్. శ్రీ సచ్చిదానంద సద్గురు సాయినాథ్ మహారాజ్ కీ జై. అందరూ కూడా ఒక నిమిషం మీ మనసులో బాబా గారి ప్రే చేసుకోండి. అందరూ కూడా సైలెంట్గా ఉండి सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय. श्री नारायण वासुदेव सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय. इधर आरती इधर तो उधर आरती. यत्पुरुषं वेदधो विकल्पङ्गमस्य गो बाहो गावोरुपादा उच्यते वनस्पत्युद्भवैर्दिव्यै नानागन्धैः सुधाग्रे सर्वदेवानां धूपं दर्शयामि. सद्गुरु साईनाथ स्वामी वार देवताभ्यो नमः. धूपमाग्रापयामि. साचन्द्रवत्सयुक्तमनिना योजितं प्रियं गृहाणमङ्गलं देवं त्रिलोक्यपरापहार भक्त्या दीपं प्रयच्छामि देवाय परमात्मने त्राय महान्नरकात् घोरात् दिव्यज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते. साक्षात् दीपं दर्शयामि धूपदीपान्तरं शुद्धाचमनीं समर्पयामि नैवेद्यम्. ओम भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. अर्धन्त्वा सत्येन प्रयुञ्जामि अमृतमस्तु अमृतोपस्तरणमसि सकलदेवतास्वरूप सद्गुरु साईनाथ स्वामिवार देवताभ्यो नमः। यथा भागो मधुरफलान् सहित पायासान्न सहित चित्रान्न सहित गोधूम पिष्टान्न नैवेद्यं समर्पयामि। ददान् गोधूम पिष्टान्न समर्पयामि। ओम प्राणाय स्वाहा, ओम अपानाय स्वाहा, ओम व्यानाय स्वाहा, ओम बुधानाय स्वाहा, ओम समानाय स्वाहा। ब्रह्मणे नमः। प्राणाय स्वाहा, ओम अपानाय स्वाहा, ओम व्यानाय स्वाहा, ओम बुधानाय स्वाहा, ओम समानाय स्वाहा। ब्रह्मणे नमः। मध्ये मध्ये पाणिं समर्पयामि। अमृताभिधानमसि हस्तो प्रक्षालयामि, पादौ प्रक्षालयामि, शुद्ध आचमनीयं समर्पयामि। ताम्बूलचरणार्धौ पुष्पाणि समर्पयामि। ताम्बूलचरणार्धं पुष्पाणि समर्पयामि। नीराजनं श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय। शिरडी माजे पंढरीपुरा साई बाबा रमावर, बाबा रमावर, साई बाबा रमावर। शुद्ध भक्ति चंद्र भगा भव पुंडलिका जागा, पुंडलिका जागा भव पुंडलिका जागा। याहो याहो अवगे जना करो बाबा से वंदना, साई से वंदना करो बाबा से वंदना। गणोन्मने बाबा साई गाव पाव माजे आई, पाव माजे आई, गाव पाव माजे आई। गलेन लटांगण वंदेन चरणा डल्यानि पायेन रूपा तुझे। प्रेमे अलिंगन आनंद पूजन त्वमेव वालिन हन्मेव नाम। त्वमेव माता पिता त्वमेव, त्वमेव बन्धो सखा त्वमेव, त्वमेव विद्या द्रवणं त्वमेव, त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव। कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा सुजात्मना वा प्रतीस्वभाव। करोमि यज्ञः सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि। अच्युतं केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्णदामोदरं वासुदेवं श्रीधरं माधवं गोपिकावल्लभं जानकीनायकं रामचन्द्रं भजे। श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय। शिरस्सु समंगलान् भवन्तु नित्य शिरस्सु नित्य मंगलान्।
Hiram, following this, we are going to have the 6:30 the dhoop party for Baba, and after this, everybody can come and put the flowers to Dwarkamai Baba, and we can partake of the prasad. Please get up for the have the flowers in your hand for now.